What's up, everybody? So stoked about the ROmentum. I'm going to show you some trades we took today in the VIP, this indicator and training series on exactly how to trade it and the strategies that I use. This is so much more than an indicator, man. I'm telling you, once you give this thing a shot, it will absolutely change the game for you 100%. So it's 2:30. Obviously late in the Friday trading session. I'm not going to take any trades, but you can see here I've had it built, this indicator, to where you can get alerts, specific alerts when it's crossing, when a move happens essentially. And now you can go, hey, CAD yen, what do we got going on here? This is the hourly. I like trading it off multiple time frames, and obviously not much going on here. CAD yen, we've been in this trade since Wednesday or Thursday, and now we're running 87.80, you know, 90, 80 pips in profit. Not a bad trade, not a bad trade. We got CAD yen there, and what it's showing us is the volume profile of the market. When we're filling up the volume, bullish volume is getting strong. We hit a range here, and then the momentum comes in. The volume comes in, goes out, and then shifts to the bearish side. So what is happening in the market is bearish sell orders and buy orders, just that's all that's going on, right? Over and over and over again, it makes a pattern. And so what this thing does is actually highlights the pattern, shows you where the momentum is shifting, and then how you can basically the best point to enter the market. And it's a trading system, it's a series and strategy that is used in it. So we've been in and out of euro pound all week, and here was our trade. We got in a little bit early. That wasn't because of the ROmentum, that was because of me taking a trade in Asian session when I should have waited till New York, because the thing is, it highlights these big money moves. So this is we took this New York, man, we're like 9,400, running 60 pips in profit. We got down there to 80 pips, and this thing's going the distance for sure. We're going to be hitting some big numbers next week. And so you can see here the volume of the market shifting in to the buy side, sell side. We're getting some signals here. I go over exactly how to read this thing step by step in the training manual guide that comes with it. I'll show it to you right now. This is, so you don't only get just the actual indicator. I did a 12-part video series so you can get it, you can actually know how to use it. Like, I don't know, there's tons of indicators out there. Most of them don't even really work. Ones that do, you get it and you're like, okay, so now what do I do with this thing? I made and showed you the exact same strategy I use to call this trade. Exact same strategy I use to call this trade. Exact same strategy I called to use. That's Aussie yen. Here's CAD yen. All of these are in the VIP channel. Go in, look at the charts. They're there. I use this indicator. I'm not just like putting it there at the bottom. Like, it's from these big moves, right? And it's highlighting the volume profile and the big shift in the range from bullish to bearish and vice versa, and giving you a text alert when this is actually happening, dude. It's crazy. So, I mean, it's amazing, because now I know that there's always going to be another trade, and I don't have to stress about it. And, like in my training, I say there's always another trade, which is true. But for most people, they hear that and they're like, yeah, sure, there's always another trade, but like, can I be profitable? But now you can, right? So here's pound CAD. We hit a good 100 pip here. Mark coming back, might be taking out an entry. That's fine, because we took our profits, and I know, like I just said, there's always another trade out there. And here is pound New Zealand. You can see this I think could go a really far way, much longer than where the where the take profit is. And for swing trading, if you want to get into some trades and hold them for a long time, this is just a game changer for that. So everything that I do, I use myself, and I wouldn't put this out there for one if I knew it wouldn't, if it wasn't ready. Two, and then two, if I didn't think it was going to change people's games, because I've never really used an indicator. I said, hey, where can I get the best volume? How can I use the best volume profile here? And how can I actually use this thing so it works in trading, and I can find the best entry? I know how to do that because I know how to trade. But then how can I know, like, okay, so here I am in the trade. How long do I want to hold this thing, right? How long do I want to hold it? How long am I going to be in here? And this is a perfect example with Aussie yen here, right? We had big move here, bust through support. I knew this was happening long before it happened. You can see the cross right here. The volume comes in, goes out. I've been watching yen pairs. I've been just Hawkeye on it. And then once that happened, what do you know? I got an alert that said, hey, I just went down the line here. I just have alerts set, so I don't have to watch the charts all day. Like, I don't have to be bending over, looking for, an IT candle or an imbalance. Where can I find that little pinpoint thing? It's like, okay, those are there. I got an alert. The momentum and volume is shifting in the market. Now I can look and find where the best entry is going to be. And doing it that way, it's stress-free trading, man. It really is. The reason it is because I know, like, I can go to bed tonight and I know Monday, like, I'm going to be getting alerts, and this thing, because it's not going to change. Volume is coming in, volume's coming out, bullish volume, bearish volume, buy orders, sell orders, and a momentum is going to shift in the market. And I'm going to get an alert, and whoever else is using this indicator is going to get an alert on it and get a heads up. It really couldn't be that much simpler, and the fact is that it works. It 100% works. And the strategy guide here of how you can use it exactly like I'm using it is right here. So, if that appeals to you, if you don't want to stress about trading, it's an amazing opportunity. It's a game changer. So you can just look at your phone and see that, oh man, I'm riding in blue here, right? How often do you look at it just like blue and you're like, I'm just going to leave this on here and let it run for a little bit. Usually you're just like, I'm going to just take what I can from the market, and hopefully I'm going to be finding again tomorrow, right? I've mentored a lot of people, and it's just the fact that they don't trust themselves and don't have a system and a tool that they trust. So this is just $6 a day, $6 a day, which is about the price of this cup of coffee, right? What are you spending $6 a day on? You want to be a trader, and you want to have an actual system that works, and you want to have a guide, a tool that's telling you when to trade and when to take these just amazing, profitable setups when there's just huge shifts in the market, and get a notification of it. Is it worth $6 to just get that? I mean, how much money can you stand to make? Like, how much money are you going to make with it? That's the thing, it's worth $6. So that being said, if that interests you, click the link below. I'm going to be using it. I've just been crushing it behind the scenes here. I'll definitely let you all in on some of that as well. But I just want to highlight the indicator more than anything, and I'll show you, here's our entry. And you still use your own technical analysis. Say you're looking for an IT candle, looking for an imbalance. Here's a little miniature market gap. Now you can feel good about that entry, right? So, like, I think we're still going to this level, 4 hour. This is going to be a massive move, because I can see the volume profile on this thing. I'm going to be trading CAD yen with this for months now, and it's going to be so sick, man. I'm going to, I can't believe it, to be honest. So if you want in on that, I'm here to help you. This is why I made it, and it's worth every single penny, 100%. So click the link below, check it out, try it out for a month. You can cancel anytime, $6 a day, and have an awesome weekend, everybody. Peace.